Hey fam, if your family is like ours, we are not going to be wasting any food in the kitchen tonight. We're going to be using our leftover turkey broth that we made with our Chop This Turkey Up series. And we're going to be making some Spanish rice, a good old side dish that your family will love. And a lot of the items should be already in your pantries. So let's get cooking. So the good thing with this rice, it's going to take about 15 minutes, your normal standard time to cook some rice on the stove, but we're going to add a little bit of extra things to it. Hey y'all. Once the onions cook down and get nice and caramelized, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of the crushed tomatoes that you see there. And this is going to help give the onions some flavor. So this is the start of our Spanish rice. You got to build the flavors up, y'all. You know, you can't just rush right through. You know how you do it. Now, you see I added a little bit of sugar, but that's going to help with the tomato sauce, trying to cut that acidity down. Hey, y'all. Just like you would your spaghetti, add a little bit of sugar to it. And from there, you're going to season it up. So we have some Sazon seasoning, and we don't even have any more of this. So that just reminded me, I need to get some more. So let's go ahead and add the rice because you want to go ahead and infuse the rice in your mixture right here. Oh, we're going to go ahead and stir it around in the tomato mixture. Now from there, we still going to add a couple more seasonings. So the rice is still not seasoned enough yet. So we're going to add some onion powder, turmeric. Now the turmeric is also going to help with the color, giving it a nice little golden look to it. And we have to add some salt. And then now for the best part, the fun part. The main part, we're going to add the turkey broth. Now, if you haven't seen our video yet of how to make this homemade turkey broth, you need to go watch it. But each of those bricks are a cup worth. Now, I didn't want to use all the turkey broth in this one dish, so we're going to use 3 of those. In the other 3 cups, we're going to use some regular water. That's right, y'all. We're not going to use all the good stuff in one dish. It's time to cook the rice now. Go ahead and put the top on it, and we're going to let it come up to a boil. Now, the rice total time is going to be 15 minutes. So just think about it like your regular normal time. Now, don't be talking about the bowl on top of the lid, y'all. You see the piece is gone. So this is one little trick that we use to keep all the steam in. Now, I also like to rotate the pan as it's cooking because I like to make sure that the rice is evenly being distributed. And it helps with the cooking also. All right, so now once the rice has done boiling, you turn the temperature down. It's cooked for the 15 minutes. Now you're going to let it rest. You have to let it rest for another 15 minutes, you guys. This is the trick to cooking good rice. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and just give it a stir. Now, this rice is going to be a little bit more looser. It's not going to be stiff, dry rice. I want it to be a more of a creamy texture to it, but that's good because once it sits, it's still going to be nice and creamy. And the next time you heat it up, it's still going to have some moisture to it. And that looks good. Okay, you see how it looks once it's smoothed out? And let us know what you think this will go good with as far as your dinners that you cook in the house. What meat would you eat this with? Now you can use this for taco night, your Sunday dinner. You can eat this by yourself. It doesn't even matter. Just make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, roll with the fam. And if y'all really love our videos, the most important thing that you can do for us when we first post a video is hype it up. Go in the comment section on your cell phone. I know you like to watch it on your TV, on your tablet, y'all, but the most important way is on your phone. So that way more people can find us and love on us too. We'll see y'all back later. Bye.